In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make things glow. We'll be using CapCut, and you can follow along on either the web version or the mobile app. Start by opening CapCut and getting yourself to the main workspace. If you're on the web, make sure your browser is up to date so the effects load smoothly. On mobile, give the app a moment to fetch resources the first time you open it. This prevents lag when you add effects later. From the home screen, choose Create New and set your canvas to 9:16. This vertical format is ideal for platforms like TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. If your original footage is landscape, don't worry. You can still place it on a 9:16 timeline and adjust the framing so the key subject stays centered. Take a quick look at the preview to make sure nothing important is cropped out. This small check saves time later. Next, add your video to the project. You can drag and drop your clip into the timeline or use the import option to browse your files. Once the clip is in the timeline, scrub through to confirm your audio and visuals look correct. If you have multiple clips, you can still apply the glow later to one or all of them. But for now, focus on the main shot you want to enhance. Now, click on Effects. This opens the effects library, which is separate from filters. Effects are applied directly to your clip or timeline and can be stacked or adjusted. If you don't immediately see what you need, that's fine. We'll use the search function next. In the search bar, type glow. You'll see several glow-style effects appear, often with names that hint at their look, like soft glow, neon glow, or edge glow. The thumbnails give you a quick idea of the vibe. Think about your goal: a subtle highlight for skin and lights, or a bold neon aura for text and objects. Apply the effect to your clip. You can click to apply or drag the effect onto the timeline so it covers exactly the portion you want. Once it's on, open the effects settings to fine-tune it. Adjust intensity for how strong the glow appears, tweak size or radius for how far the light blooms, and use blend or opacity controls to make the glow sit naturally over your footage. Keep an eye on bright areas, as too much glow can wash out detail. A good rule is to nudge the sliders until the subject pops without losing texture. And that's it. You've added a clean, eye-catching glow in CapCut. Quick, simple, and ready for your next creative edit.